1962 Chevrolet Impala, two-door hardtop or sport coupe, and yes, this is an SS, true SS car. You can tell that by the trim code on this car, which is 812. It's going to let you know that it's SS bucket seats. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front grille, headlight surrounds, bumper. Looks good, bright red in color. Has had a repaint to red interior, vinyl buckets. 5-speed manual transmission paired up with a 409 underneath the hood. Go ahead and take a look at the still pictures so you can see the engine bay, interior. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Also nicely equipped. Power steering, power brakes. As you can see, it was front disc brakes also. Serpentine belt system. Be Cool aluminum radiator. 2 4-barrels on that 409. We'll open up the hood here shortly and let you check it out, and I'll get into a little more details on that engine. First, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the rear chrome. Bright work up and down passenger side as well as the driver's side. Shows well. And again, you can see over 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. There's a little blemish right here, rear quarter. What a great car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. This will be a fun one. No doubt about that. Wait till we open the hood up. Check out that engine bay. Let you hear this run. All right, take a little closer look at the interior here. So it's pretty much free of any rips, tears, holes. Door panels look good. All right, before I start this up, let me get into this engine bay a little bit and tell you what's been done to the engine. So there's approximately about 6,000 worth of receipts for the engine build. I mentioned earlier it does have a serpentine belt system. Also headers, new exhaust, Dynamax turbo mufflers underneath. But as far as the interiors, it does have forged pistons, roller rockers and lifters, ARP head bolts, aluminum heads. I believe those were Edelbrock. And again, check with your sales associate if you want to know more details on that. There's a whole receipt of things that were done on this and the engine build. So let's start it up. Let's hear it run, and we'll take a look at it. Starts easily. Did have the wipers working. Did not have the radio work. There's an aftermarket set of gauges underneath the dash. That was a cold start, FYI. And take a look at the headliner. Listen to this. Nice sounding car. I'm going to slip up to the front. Pop the hood open. Let's check out this engine bay and we'll wrap this video up. First off, I guess check the underside of the hood. Looks good. Be Cool aluminum radiator. 409. Once again paired up with that 5-speed manual transmission, electric color fans. With that serpentine belt system, power steering, power brakes. Dual 4-barrels, both Edelbrock. Here's the roller engine. Aluminum heads. Like Performer RPM on 409 heads. Taking the heads, the headers. It's a nice chrome bright work. Things polished underneath there, but yeah, good looking engine, mate. True 1962 Impala SS. give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with a sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1962 Chevrolet Impala SS. This is equipped with a 5-speed. As you can see, it is snowing. There's snow on the ground in Minnesota. It's not currently snowing and the roads are dry. So we can do a driving video for you. This car's pretty striking with red paint, red interior. Under the dash we have a temp gauge, voltmeter, and oil pressure. Oil showing 65 psi. Wipers do work. The blower motor works. This car is easy to drive. Smooth ride down the road. Just some slight wind noise around the driver's front window on the door.